And then we've got the farmers. And this is where the biggest opportunity is to inspire, to invite, and engage the farmers in the conversation and demonstrate a better way. Demonstrate to the farmers who know this already. Farmers, the reason not many people are going into farming right now is because it's a treacherous, brutal job. Most farmers using poisons on the land, and they know they're suffering, they're sick about it. They see what's happening to the life, the biodiversity of their land that has oftentimes been in their family for generations. This is our opportunity because these are good, hard-working folks that simply were sold a bill of goods and they bought it. And now they're using those poisons which are destroying their land. Their yields are going down, their insurance rates are going up, the climate freaking geoengineering is destroying a lot of shit. When we engage the farmers to let most of their land go back to seed and go back to the Garden of Eden, to abundance, to nature, and we help them create food forests, permaculture designed food forests. We get together with the farmers. We take out the supply chain and we go direct to the farmers. And we say, we are here to support you. You just got to take out the poisons, because we will not support you if you grow with poisons, which, by the way, is happening all across the world. It's beautiful. It's also can be destructive. So that's why it's our opportunity. We need to start approaching the farmers, and the farmers need to open up and say, hey, I'm willing to have your help. And then we share in the bounty. Of course, we take out the property tax. Of course, we serve each other locally. When we can grow food locally and create all of the local needs, all of our needs locally by coming together as community. In fact, that's my next video. It's going to be about community.